Alright, so what we have is an early 90s Mercury Marine 40 horsepower 4-cylinder engine carburetor. This is the top, so I know you guys are kind of upside down. I'm doing the best I can here. I think it would be like this. Top. And it would go down into the second one, which I've already disassembled, but I wanted to get this one on camera. I'm not taking it all the way down. I'm really only going to break it down into a couple of pieces. Let me get a new towel, and then we'll get started. Alright. Pretty easy. Like I said, I'm not taking it all the way down. I'm just taking it down to where I need it. We are going to take these off. It's more of a carb blowout than really a carb clean. I am probably going to go ahead and order the gasket kit and a new needle valve. They were leaking, that's what started this. Gasket's in pretty good shape. I really don't want to try to reuse it, but if I had to, I could. Yeah, one piece. It's kind of dirty, kind of gross. The gasket's not bad, but that's old gas there. Okay. Things are a little oily. I don't have the right tool. We'll clean that up a little bit. It's got some sharp burrs on it, just like this one here. I went ahead and took a file and just cleaned up the sharp burrs. I don't want to make it too smooth because I want the gasket to have really good mating surfaces. But there's just some burrs that don't need to be there. Oh, like I said, I'm just doing a real simple tear down. We're going to take the mixture screw out by counting half, one just over a quarter. The other one was 1 1/4. So we'll back this all the way out so we can get it cleaned. Remove the bowl. The other one had really nasty gaskets. Yeah, that gasket's seen better days itself, so definitely gonna get some new gaskets put on there. The other bowl was pretty dirty too. I'm kind of curious to see. Pretty clean, actually. Surprisingly pretty clean. I did notice, so this little part right here, I believe that is a vacuum line, and one of them was not on. I wonder if that's part of what the engine was, what the issue was. The engine was, it would idle fine. It would go up in RPMs fine. Not in a load, but under load it would fall flat on its face. Okay, so that's under that. I'll have to remember that. Probably not going to disassemble too much more. It's dirty, but I really think I could just spray it out. I think that vacuum line was a lot of my issue. I'm not going to mess with the Venturi or any of that stuff. There's no reason to. I'm not going to buy the parts to replace them. I'm not going to take the chance of messing them up. I don't have to have them out to clean it, so that's pretty gnarly right there. That's pretty dirty. Let me spray that out. Sorry, I'm not playing to the camera very well, am I? I'm probably getting out here. That's probably as far as I'm going to take it down. I don't really see any need to take it any further. I may take this off, but honestly, I don't think I need to. I think it's just fine where it's at. Pull this out and see what it's... Ooh, that's pretty tight. And I'm not buying that, so we don't need to take that out. No reason. It is open. I can see through it. So, early 90s, Mercury, 40 horsepower, 4-cylinder. Really simple carburetor setup. Really, really simple. I know it's a little bit more to it than what I've taken apart, but really, truly, there's no reason to take any of this apart. Only thing I could see taking apart would be taking the Venturi and the main out, but I don't need to. I want to get new gaskets. That one's curled and looks like shit. There's a leak there. I guarantee that's part of my problem right there. I could probably flip that over, actually. Probably flip it over and it'd set just fine. Huh. I want to know what the level looks like. We'll check the level when we put it back together. I don't think you can see. Right there's where the needle valve sits. There. I don't think we're going to get it. It is what it is. You get what you get, you don't throw a fit, right? Alright. Well, like I said, that's as far as I'm going to take that down. I don't need to go any further. This one was actually pretty clean. It's cleaner than the other one. They're not that dirty. I'm not concerned with them. May run them through an ultrasonic and then order some gaskets and put them back together. Alright, I will bring you back when it's time to reassemble.